Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I was thinking the other day, and I was thinking about casseroles, and there are casseroles for dinner, chicken casseroles, pasta casseroles, casseroles. But I thought, what about a breakfast casserole? So I put one together with some sausage, tomatoes, eggs, and it was incredible. Let me walk you through this, and you're gonna love it. So let's get started. I'm gonna get started here by frying up my sausage, and these are just some breakfast sausage that I've kind of taken the casings off and just broken them up. I should mention too that you can use, honey, garlic, Italian, whatever you like. I've just chosen breakfast because I kind of like them. Once they're beautifully cooked up, I'm just going to set these aside, and I've discarded the fat because you don't want that in your breakfast casserole. Alright, what I've got here are about 5 pieces of bread. I'm using brown, but you can use, French, Italian, white bread, whatever you like. I'm just going to tear these up and put them into my favorite casserole dish. You can kind of cube them up too, but I'm kind of a tearing type of guy. Next up, we're going to scatter our yummy sausage over the top, and you kind of want a nice even distribution here. Next up, I'm going to add some cubed up tomatoes. I like these, but the beauty of this dish, you can add whatever you want. You can add some bell peppers, the sky's the limit. After that, it's time to make our egg mixture. So what I've got here is 5 eggs, so let's get cracking. 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. Followed by a cup of milk. And to spice up our life, a bit of salt just to bring out those flavors. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I love garlic. And last but not least, my all-time favorite spice, some ground black pepper. And a whisking we will go until everything is nicely combined. Then we're going to take our egg mixture and just kind of pour it over the top. And you want kind of a nice even distribution here. Some sharp cheddar cheese. This is my favorite, but you can use the cheese of your choice. And this is about a cup, so we'll just spread this over the top. And last but not least, a couple of chopped up green onions. And I'm going to add about half of these because I want to save the rest for a garnish. Doesn't this look incredible, guys? Wow. Now I'm just going to set this aside and let it soak for a few minutes. Ideally, you might want to, let this soak for a couple of hours or even overnight. You want that egg mixture to get right into the bread. But I'm hungry, so it's just going to be a few minutes with me. Okay, after soaking, and I should mention this makes a delightful Sunday breakfast. So, I make this up on a Saturday night and make it and put it in the oven on a Sunday. But we're going to slip this into a 350 degree, 177 Celsius oven for about an hour. After about an hour in the oven, I just pull this out and I'm going to go ahead and garnish it up with a few more green onions just for some more color and a bit more crunch. And believe me, this smells outrageously delicious. And there you have it, guys, our breakfast casserole. So let's give this a taste. This is so incredibly good, guys. The sausage, the juiciness of the tomatoes, it's still juicy after an hour. the egg mixture, the bread. That's a complete breakfast. Incredible. Bit more work than bacon and eggs, but my goodness, you're going to want to do this for sure. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. You're going to find all kinds of great breakfast recipes over there. Recipes, recipes, recipes. And don't forget to give us the thumbs up, and thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.